Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this hot and crispy fish as well as a drink. So let's get into it. All right, let's get straight into it. This is my hot sauce, my mustard, fish fry. You can use whatever brand you want. And I'm using catfish today, but you can use whatever fish you prefer. And yeah, so we're going to get straight into it again. Your girl is busy, and I've been doing a lot of semi-homemade recipes, and that's what you're going to see over the next few days. So I'm going to add my hot Swiss. You can use whatever hot Swiss you prefer on your fish. Some mustard. Y'all already know you got to use yellow mustard. I love me some good old, Dijon. But I'm using the yellow mustard because, that's the tea. So you want to mix this up. Set it to the side. I'm not seasoning the fish. It makes no sense. The seasoning is already in the breading, and you don't want to over salt your fish. And putting the mustard and hot sauce is actually kind of pushing it too, because they have sodium in it. So, do what you will is what I'm saying. So next you're going to take the fish, add it to your breading mix, whatever your preferred mix is, and pat it in there really, 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 really well. And you're good to go. Look how easy and simple that is. Anybody can do it. You can't mess it up at all. And you can just pop it. I've seen somebody pop this in their air fryer before, but I'm not sure if that's something I want to do. So I might, do an experiment one day, but I don't know. But I pack it on really, really well. The fish, I did not dry off the fish. Once I rinsed it up, I just got the excess water out, and then I added the mustard and the hot sauce. So make sure you keep that in mind. You don't want your fish to be dry before you add it to the breading. It could be a little damp. So now I'm going to add it to the hot grease. Now this is the secret to getting the hot and crispy fish. The oil needs to be hot. Now, if you know say you're afraid of oil and heat and burn up your hand, don't even bother make the recipe. Because if you know say you're afraid of fire, don't make it. It's not for you. But yeah, the heat needs to be hot. That's the secret to find crispy fish. Okay? So as you can see, mine's is sizzling. Sizzling, honey. It's giving sizzle. That's what it's giving. It's giving hot and sizzle. And you want to fry it until it's super crispy. I would give you a time, but I really don't have one. I fry it until it's hard. The fish, the outside needs to be crunchy, crispy, hard. So I'll say probably 6 minutes untouched. And then you flip it and let it continue cooking. While that's cooking, let's make a drink. So in this glass, I have some crushed up blackberries. I have some Bacardi and some ginger ale. You can use whatever rum, vodka you prefer, and a bunch of ice, of course. So now we're going to put about 2 shots in this glass. This is 1 shot. This is 2 shots. And then you're going to add some ginger ale, your favorite drink. And that's the drink right there. See, quick and easy. You can't have fried fish without, a drink. A nice drink. So you want to mix it up. Look how pretty that is with the color and everything. It's nice and crushed on the bottom, and then it just brings that nice hue to the drink, and you're good to go. This is what the fish looks like. I just put it on paper towel to get the excess grease off. I should have probably put it on a rack, but listen, it doesn't matter. It's so crispy, it doesn't matter. So this is how the fish looks. As you can see right here, look how it breaks apart. That's how crispy it is. And of course, I'm going to smother it in hot sauce and lemon juice. What other way there is to eat the fish? Oh, I do need some bread. But I didn't eat it with no bread. I'm going to show y'all what I ate it with today. I actually had it with some loaded sweet potatoes. And don't ask me for the recipe because I ain't giving it to y'all. Okay? So I had the loaded sweet potatoes, and I just put it with my fish, and this is like the perfect bite. It was so good. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support. I'll catch you on my next video. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on social media. All links will be below. Well, I ain't got no Instagram no more, but follow me, y'all. Bye.